So this is coming out at 2.90 kilowatts net, and the manufacturer says it's 3 kilowatts. So that's the test over 2 minutes. So let's get back to the meter and do this test over a minute and see what that comes out at. So let's wait till it gets round to a full figure again and start it for a minute this time. So this time it was 4854. This time it is 4859. Now let's have a look at this reading for 1 minute. So our biggest reading, our second reading, was 4.859. Take away 4.854 equals 0.005. It's good. Straight away that tells me it's half of that. So it's going to work out exactly the same. So times 60 now, because we need to make it into meters cubed an hour, is 0.3. Then times 38.7 equals 11.61 divided by 3.6 equals 3.225, and divided by 1.11 equals 2.90. So it's worked out exactly the same. So that's not conclusive enough for me. Oh no, because that was a hob. Shall we try a boiler? Well, let's go down to the kitchen and we'll have a look at gas rating a boiler on hot water. So this is what I'm going to do. So here we have a 30 kilowatt combi boiler. We have again a metric meter, so a G4 meter. And what I'm going to do is put this tap on full rate. Now this tap gives us more water than this boiler can deliver. So it should keep the boiler as close as we can get it to its maximum rate without it modulating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the tap on and then I'm going to leave it running. So I will then do the 2 minute test, still keep the tap running, and then I will do the 1 minute test. So the first figure is 9.280. So that was 9.376. Keep the tap on again, still on. So 9.390. And that was 9.438. So let's go do the maths. Now let's have a look at the second lot of figures. So for the 2 minute one, the first figure was 9.376. Take away 9.280. 80 equals 0.096. So again, let's times that by 30, and that equals 2.88 meters cubed an hour. So let's times it by the calorific value. 38.7 is 111,456, and then let's divide that by 3.6 is 30.96, and then again let's divide by 1.11, and that equals 27.89 kilowatts net. Now remember, it was a 30 kilowatt boiler, so there you go, not too far away. Now let's try the second lot of figures. So our first number is 9.438. Take away 9.390 equals 0.048. Is that half of that? Times 60. 2. It works out the same. 2.88. So then times 38.7 is 11456 divided by 3.6 is 30.96 divided by 1.11 equals 27.89. So exactly the same. So that must be conclusive that Gas Safe are right with the trials they've done with British Gas. That instead of gas rating now for 2 minutes, we can gas rate for 1.